Beautiful well-maintained double-wide manufactured home located in Aspen on the Creek, built in 1971 with over 1,400 square feet of open space. This Marlette home offers 3-bed, 2 full bath, large living room, dining area with built-in buffet and shelving, kitchen with lots of storage and separate laundry area. Outside boasts covered parking with storage plus a large covered patio, with a ramp to the front door. Great price. Dining room set, coffee tables, and TV cabinet are included.